Alright, backyard mechanic at it again. Just got off of work and I feel like working on this ramp. I do have the Haynes repair manual help me out. I just read it and kind of follow what I need to do. So today I'm going to be taking off the rest of this timing chain. Everything's still, in time, so we're good there. I've done some stuff before the book tells you to do, like move these access plugs right here, which is this one right here. Move the access plug, and this plastic access plug as well, remove it. Careful when you're doing it. It says to push it from the inside. I did. It was kind of hard, so I kind of nicked it with a screwdriver, but I didn't nick the seal, so it's still reusable. Of course, I'm going to clean it up and I'll pop it back in there once I'm all done. Alright, so first thing we got to do is pull these back right here, this primary chain tensioner. Pull it back, lock it in with a pin. It goes straight through these holes right here. You see there? It goes straight through these holes. 1, 2, 3. So you pull that back, make those two holes align, and it goes all the way through. Then you remove these chain tensioners right here. 1 and 2. Okay. And then remove these cam sprockets. Once you got it unbolted, you're going to pull it out a little bit, lower it down into the head a little, and then remove the chain. Set these aside. Do that for this side as well. Wow. Do that for that side as well. Okay. And then it says just let the chain drop through. Okay. And then the next step will be to remove this big bolt right here that holds the idler sprocket. Yep, remove that, and then you should be able to move this, the chain, and this crankshaft sprocket all off at once. Okay, and then you can remove your guides. You got your one guide right here, you got your other guide here, you got one here and one there. Then you can remove all those out of the way. Let's see. So I think that's about it as far as moving those out. I want to mention one thing. This right here is where your cam sensor reads. It reads this doohickey right here. The book says not to put anything magnetic against it. Don't ruin it, or you can have a no start failure, or no engine start when you try to start up the engine. Your cam sensor is right here, so it reads this. It reads this sprocket as it's spinning for timing. When to shoot, open valves, what have you, and stuff like that. On the other note too, the book says that you do not have to remove the rocker arms on here, but if you were not to, and you go to take these off, you're gonna have problems because you're gonna have to grab hold of this camshaft with a pair of locking pliers, like vice grips, what have you, and hold them in place. And then even still, when you cannot spin it or nothing because you have a chance that the valves hit in the pistons. This is a non-free spinning motor. It means it's interfering. So basically, if you turn this thing, if you turn the crankshaft for some reason, the pistons could hit the valves. So it's a pretty good idea to remove the rockers first. It's a very simple step. Very simple. So you just need a special tool to get it out, and then that's it. So yeah, I'm going to take it all apart. That's kind of show you how I did it, how I'm going to do it, and then show you what it looks like after I get it done. All right, we'll see it.